Alright, so I pulled off this, and I can't find the hole, so I'm thinking it's under this shield somewhere. Right, because there's no hole. This is solid from up here, so that means it must be in there. And by the way that they plugged it up to here, it looked like they're trying to fill all this in so that the fumes wouldn't escape. And they made their way out down there somehow. So I'm gonna cut this whole thing right off and take a proper look and then weld it back on again. So I think the hole's on the other side of this. Alright guys, so I'll just show you this real quick before I throw it in here. You guys see the brand new gasket under there and the screws? But, so that gasket sits right there. So, I just painted it real quick. It's actually still wet, you guys can see it's still wet. But I just basically cleaned it up, the seam. And there used to be these holes here. Shaved it down and cleaned it up. That way there's no loop here, a hole. So I could, but it makes it tougher. And I'm never going to be using the holes to put screws through again. So I cut it off and I leveled it out. And then I welded it all the way around. I'd say about maybe 2.2 or 2.5 passes on each thread. You guys can see it's solid now, all the way around. There's the WD there. As for this piece here, as you guys can see, I cut it off. I didn't spend too much time. As you guys again can see, I just quickly, this like paper thin shit. This, yeah, paint still is wet. So I just quickly tacked 1, 2, 3, and that's enough to hold that in place. And it does. No one's gonna see it, so I didn't spend any time to make the welds look good. You can see I blew through a couple holes here. Just as long as it stays on. That's really all I care about for that. But this is what mattered. We took more time and made that solid. So, gonna go ahead and put this whole system back on again. Alright guys, so I've just put the thing in. I'm just gonna show you here. Oh. So I got the new manifold bolts in. Not too bad. I couldn't get that nut. Oh, I can't even see that nut. I couldn't get it off. It's like rust welded to the pipe here, so I just left it in. They're holding fine. No need to replace. Oh yeah, gotta go back more. So this is the cat. So this is what it looks like after. Hopefully you guys can see there. I hit it, like I said, about two and a half times. So those are pretty solid. Painted it up to here. Put that back on. Yeah, about to start it up though. So we'll see. It's a hell of a lot better than when I first got it. Yeah, so that's it. I had enough of being under here today. I'm gonna call it a day there. You guys can see it's all coming out the back now. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the patching of the exhaust on the CRV. It sounds amazing now, and we'll see you guys next time. Hacksaw out.